In this video, we review Merrill Lynch versus Fidelity. Have you used either of these services before? What was your experience? Leave your Merrill Lynch or Fidelity review in the comments section below. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Let's continue with our video. When evaluating Merrill Lynch and Fidelity, two prominent financial institutions, it's essential to consider various factors to determine which aligns best with your financial goals and preferences. Merrill Lynch, a subsidiary of Bank of America, offers a comprehensive range of financial services, including investment management, financial planning, and wealth management. It caters to high-net-worth individuals seeking personalized financial strategies. Clients benefit from access to a team of financial advisors who provide tailored advice and investment solutions. Additionally, Merrill Lynch clients can integrate their investment accounts with Bank of America's banking services, facilitating seamless management of both banking and investment needs. However, this level of personalized service often comes with higher fees, which may not be justifiable for all investors. The minimum investment requirements can also be substantial, potentially limiting access for those with smaller portfolios. Furthermore, some clients have reported that the online trading platform is less intuitive compared to competitors, which could be a drawback for those who prefer a more user-friendly interface. Fidelity, on the other hand, is renowned for its low-cost investment options and user-friendly online platform. It offers a wide array of investment products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, catering to both novice and experienced investors. Fidelity's commitment to low fees is evident, with many of its mutual funds and ETFs having no expense ratios, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. The platform is highly regarded for its research tools and educational resources, which can be particularly beneficial for those looking to enhance their investment knowledge. However, while Fidelity provides access to financial advisors, the level of personalized service may not be as extensive as that offered by Merrill Lynch. Additionally, some users have noted that the mobile app experience can be less seamless compared to the desktop platform, which might be a consideration for investors who prioritize mobile trading capabilities. In summary, both Merrill Lynch and Fidelity offer distinct advantages and disadvantages. Merrill Lynch excels in providing personalized financial advice and integrating banking and investment services, making it suitable for high-net-worth individuals seeking comprehensive wealth management. Conversely, Fidelity stands out for its low-cost investment options, extensive research tools, and user-friendly online platform, appealing to a broader range of investors. Your choice between the two should be guided by your individual financial needs, investment goals, and preferences regarding service levels and cost structures.